to our English Flow podcast channel. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the English Flow podcast. I am Sarah.
And I am Mark. We are so happy you are listening today. We have a very modern and interesting topic to discuss.
Yes, today we are talking about something that almost everyone uses every single day. We are talking about social media.
Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, or X. These apps are a huge part of our lives now. But do you know the correct English words to use when talking about them?
That is the goal for today. We want to help you talk about your online life in English. The title of this episode is Social Media Vocabulary: Posting, Liking, and Sharing.
I spend a lot of time on my phone, Sarah. Maybe too much time, so I think I know these words well. But before we start our discussion, let's teach our listeners 4 very important vocabulary words.
Great idea. These words will help you understand the rest of the episode. The first word is notification.
Ah, yes. A notification is a message or alert that pops up on your phone. It tells you that something happened. For example, when someone likes your photo, you get a notification. Ding!
Exactly. We often say, I have too many notifications. It can be quite annoying. Our second word is feed. F-E-E-D.
In the context of social media, your feed is the main screen where you see new posts. When you open Instagram or Facebook, you scroll down your feed to see photos from your friends.
That is right. You scroll through your feed. Our third word is a verb, to tag.
To tag someone means to include their name or link their profile in a photo or post. If I take a photo with you, Sarah, I will tag you in the picture so people know it is you.
Yes, it creates a link to my profile. And our final word for today is viral. V-I-R-A-L.
This is a very popular word. If something goes viral, it becomes very popular very quickly. It spreads across the internet like a virus. Millions of people see it in a short time.
Everyone wants their video to go viral. So our 4 keywords for today are notification, feed, tag, and viral.
Excellent. Now that we know the words, let's talk about how we actually use social media in our daily lives.
So Mark, be honest with me. How much time do you spend looking at your phone every day?
Oh, Sarah, I am embarrassed to say, I checked my screen time yesterday, and it was over 3 hours. I spent a lot of time just scrolling through my feed.
3 hours? That is a lot, but I think that is normal for many people now. It is very easy to get distracted. You open the app to check one message, and suddenly 30 minutes have passed.
Exactly. That is the biggest negative point for me. It is a huge distraction. I call it the time trap. You go in and you cannot get out. It stops me from reading books or doing my chores.
I agree. It is addictive. Another negative point is the feeling of comparison. Do you know what I mean?
Yes, I do. When you look at Instagram, everyone looks perfect. They have perfect bodies, expensive holidays, and delicious food. It makes you feel like your own life is boring.
That is very true. We have to remember that people only post the highlights of their lives. They do not post photos of their messy houses or bad days. It is not reality.
That is an important lesson. Don't believe everything you see on your feed. But social media is not all bad. There are some very good things about it too.
Of course, the best thing for me is staying connected. I have friends who live in different countries, in Australia, in Canada, and in Japan. Without social media, I would never see their photos.
That is wonderful. It makes the world feel smaller. When they post a picture and tag you or send you a message, you feel close to them, even if they are far away.
It is also great for learning. I follow many accounts that teach cooking, exercise, and even English.
Yes, many of our listeners use social media to learn English. There are thousands of short videos that teach vocabulary and grammar. That is a very positive use of technology.
So, it is a tool. It depends on how you use it. If you use it to learn and connect with friends, it is good. If you use it to compare yourself to others and waste time, it is bad.
I agree. It's all about balance. I'm trying to limit my time now. I turned off my notifications so my phone doesn't beep every 5 minutes.
That is a smart move. Notifications are very distracting. If you turn them off, you control the phone. The phone does not control you. So, Mark, let's talk about your habits. When you post something on your feed, what is it usually?
I am actually quite careful about what I post. I don't post every day. Usually, I post photos of landscapes when I go hiking, or maybe a picture of my dog.
Everyone loves dog photos. Do you care about how many likes you get?
Ideally, I would say no. But honestly, yes, I do check. If I post a photo and nobody likes it after 1 hour, I feel a little bit sad. It is silly, but it is true. I check my notifications to see if anyone commented.
I think we all do that. It is human nature to want approval. But have you ever posted a video that went viral?
No, I am not that famous. The most popular post I ever had was a video of my dog catching a ball. It got about 500 likes. For me, that was viral. What about you?
I have never gone viral either, but I have a funny story about tagging.
Oh? Did something embarrassing happen?
Yes. Last year, I went to a birthday party. We took a big group photo. I thought everything was fine. But the next morning, I woke up and saw a notification. You have been tagged in a photo.
And was it a bad photo?
It was terrible. In the photo, my eyes were closed and my mouth was open because I was eating a piece of cake. I looked ridiculous.
Oh no. And all your friends could see it on their feed?
Yes, everyone could see it. I was so embarrassed. I immediately texted my friend and said, please delete that photo.
Did she delete it?
She laughed, but she was nice. She deleted it and posted a better one. But now, I always check my settings. You can actually change your settings so that you have to approve a tag before it appears on your profile.
That is a very useful tip. I use that setting too. It stops people from posting bad photos of me.
Another situation I find interesting is stories. You know, the posts that disappear after 24 hours.
Yes, like Instagram stories. I actually prefer them
Why?
because there is less pressure. It doesn't have to be a perfect, beautiful photo. It can just be a silly video of my breakfast or a funny sign I saw on the street. It disappears the next day, so I don't worry about it.
That is true. It feels more natural and spontaneous. Real posts on the main feed feel like an art gallery now. Everything has to be perfect.
Exactly. I also like using the direct message or DM feature. Instead of commenting publicly, I often send the post to a friend privately.
Me too. I send funny cat videos to my sister almost every day. It is our way of saying hello without writing a long message. It is true. Sending a private message is much more personal than just clicking like. It shows you really care.
Absolutely. So we have talked about a lot today. We discussed the good sides and the bad sides of social media. It is a powerful tool, but we have to be careful with it.
Let's summarize what we learned. First, we looked at 4 key vocabulary words. Do you remember them?
Of course. First was notification, the alert sound on your phone. Second was feed, the list of posts you scroll through.
Third was tag, which means to link a person's name to a photo. And finally, viral, which describes a post that becomes super popular very quickly.
We also discussed the time trap. We learned that it is important to control your time. Don't let the endless scrolling steal your whole day.
And we talked about reality versus the internet. Remember that people usually only post their best moments. Don't compare your real life to someone else's highlight reel.
That is the most important lesson for mental health, I think. Also, be careful when you tag your friends. Make sure they look good in the photo first.
Yes, always ask for permission before posting a funny photo of a friend. It is just polite.
Now, we have a challenge for our listeners. We want to know about your digital life.
Here is your question for this week. What is your favorite social media app, and what kind of content do you like to watch on it?
Do you like Instagram for the beautiful travel photos? Do you like TikTok for the funny dances? Or maybe you like YouTube for learning English?
Try to answer in full sentences. For example, I like YouTube because I can learn new skills, like cooking and languages.
You can write your answer in the comments if you are listening on a platform that allows it, or just say it out loud to yourself. Describe why you like it. Is it funny? Is it educational? Is it relaxing?
And if you are feeling brave, you can try to write a post in English on your own social media page this week.
Ooh, that is a big challenge. Maybe post a picture of your English notebook and use the hashtag EnglishFlow.
That would be amazing. We would love to see that. Well, that is all for today. Put down your phone, go outside, and enjoy the real world for a while.
Yes, take a break from the screen. Thank you for listening to the English Flow podcast.
See you next time.
Goodbye.